Good evening, teacher. Good evening, classmate. My name is Romy Andrea Velázquez Cornejo, and this is my ID. And this video have academic purpose only for my class of academic reading and writing 2. And I showed my contribution for this week. Topic is reading and summary information in academic context. For this topic, we are going to prepare to talk about some strategy. The first strategy is 3 important things. In this summary strategies, the teacher asks to a student highlight or underline the 3 important things that they find in the text. For example, we can ask the question, one important thing is, another what important thing not is, or the most important thing is. When you identify these 3 important things, you can mark this, and you have the possibility to create a summarizing. Now let's see an example. Well, in this example, you have in the left, you have original paragraph. On the right, you have a summarizing. You can identify with color red. You can identify, maybe we can save the one important things. With color yellow, you can identify another important things, and with color red, you can identify, with color green, you can identify the most important things with 3 ideas, or with the three things. You can mark, you can match to join this, and with this you create your summarizing or summarize. Remember, this part is really important to identify what is the idea, or what is the most important things that you can identify. Well, continue with the second strategy. The second strategy we can say is key 3R strategic. That is, in contents we can save the key questions, read, recite, and rewrite. When you specific characteristics about this strategic scheme, the text, the readers, we can skip the time that is necessary. Also, we can say or answer the question, what is the test about? And another, there is really test. What is the specific purpose that the readers is read the text. Number 4, you say using your own words, your own ideas. You can say what you have learned or answer you have to find a question. And number 5, writing information with own words. We continue with the ensembles. We can see in the example, in the same form, you can identify the different part using different colors. For example, you have the parts of red, blue, and green. These parts are the most important when you underline this part. In the task, you can identify the most important aspect, and when you mark this, you can create a summarizing. Continue with the strategy number 3, the five W's. These strategies can be used for the different levels in which learners need to summarizing information that is necessary in academic context. For this strategic, focus on the use of C questions that are the first question is who is the history or task about. Number 2, what did the author do? Number 3, when did the action take place? Number 4, where did the story happen? Number 3, why did the main character do what he or she did? And number 6, how did the main character do what he or she did? When you answer or when you find answer for these 6 questions, you can create the summarizing. For example, you have a text or a paragraph with some information. You can identify first what are the W, who, what, when, where, and why. When you answer these questions, you can create your summarize. Well, with the answers, only with the answers. Only major join the answers, and you can create your summarize.